Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today we're gonna learn the Photoshop. How you gonna create the size for the Photoshop? First you need to open your Photoshop and create new. Here you can choose the size you like. You want the clipboard size like 1920 by 1080 px or custom sized. I prefer to choose the screen size 2080 by 720. And here, from here you can also edit the size, the custom size you like, and the orientation you can choose it either vertical or horizontal. I choose the horizontal. That means my width will be longer and the height will be 720 px and the width will be 1218 px. And here, whether you want the background like a transparent background or black background, white background, anything you like, I've choose the transparent background. We can change the background later also once you created the size. Okay, now create it. Yeah, this is the size we have chosen. It's 1280 by 720. Here you can see from my scales, it's 12 around 1280 and down is around 720. This is the size, how you choose the size. Or if you want to change the size, go to image, image size is not active. So what we do is, yeah, now the image size is active. Image size, now you can change the size like 1050 by 1050, or maybe 600 by 600, and press it OK. And you can see that the size has been changed into the 600 by 600. Now if you want these two in the different color, you can choose the paint bucket tool and choose the color from here, and then sorry, you're gonna do this one here, so duplicate this one first, and due to this one we don't need the text. We need the selection tool, this one selected, and delete the text, paint bucket tool, and paint it. This is how you gonna, here you go, how you change the color of the size, the color of the background. If you want this one is different size, as I can say that go to the image size and put the different size, it will go accordingly. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and share, and make sure you like my channels. Thank you.